Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the changes not saving in GoDaddy Website Builder 2026. Have you made edits but nothing is saved? Let's fix that. And we're gonna do that by just following these few simple steps. Now before we start, if you haven't created a GoDaddy account, we're gonna just go to google.com and then you're gonna go to godaddy.com right here, open this website and make sure you to click on sign in. We're going to click on the sign in button in the top left corner, and if you haven't created an account, we're just going to click on create an account. As you see, I'm already signed in. We're going to create an account with your Google account or your Facebook accounts, and after that you're going to be able to build websites by GoDaddy. Now, in order to fix the changes not saving in your website, you're going to check your internet connection. Use a stable connection and avoid editing on a weak Wi-Fi. You can do that on your Android device by dropping down this bar right here and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and choose the one that is faster. You can also save before switching pages. Click save after each change and don't edit multiple pages at once. Also make sure to clear the browser's cache. Now you can clear the browser's cache by going to the browser settings, and here you can delete browsing data and choose cookies here or by more options depending on the device or the browser you use, and you're gonna click on and clear the cache and the cookies. Then reload the editor and also try another browser. Chrome or Edge works best. And in the final step is to publish. Your changes won't go live until you publish them. So make sure to publish your website and never close the editor too fast. And don't edit on mobile browser, save and publish often. And that's how you fix saving issues in GoDaddy Website Builder. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.